Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Clear Tax account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in cleartax.in. It will take you to the official website of ClearTax. And once you are over this page, you can see the Get Started button at the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button. Then click on File Now. It will redirect you to this login portal. Since you already have an account, click on the login button over here. And it will take you to this login page. Over here, enter the email address of your account. And over here, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on Agree and Continue. You will be logged into your ClearTax account. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you will see the option to reset your password by clicking Agree and Continue over there. If you do not have an account, you can click here Sign Up with Google. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.